My name is Robert Roush, and I work at AJ Manufacturing for a little over 8 years now, and I'm an assembler in the fan filter department. So I started with the fan filter department back in its infancy with one of our other engineers, and kind of helped them through the process of the trial and error of building them. And individually, I get about 15 to 20 fan filter units out a week. So the first thing we do is we metal seal the plaster frames to ensure that we have no leaks in our welds, our ports, etc. Any penetration points where we have wires going through or anything like that. So the reason we metal seal all these is because we have to make sure that nothing the size of 0.03 microns can penetrate our units and then get into the patient's room or the lab or any of the facilities that these units are in. So after the plaster frame, we go through several pre-assemblies. We build our motors with our motor brackets and our wiring. We assemble our electrical boxes with the appropriate voltage and for the transformer, the appropriate electrical components, the wiring. So after the sub-assemblies are all done, we then begin assembling the unit, putting all those components into the unit, making sure that the plaster frame is sealed to the plenum, making sure that there's no other leaks that could happen through the unit and through the plenum. So once we've completed building the unit, we then send it over to testing.
I'm Burton Smith. I'm a product engineer at AJ Manufacturing. I've been with AJ Manufacturing for about 4 years, and I'm one of the engineers who helped develop our current family of fan filter products. It's part of our quality control process where we test each unit before it ships. We make sure that the airflow sensors equipped have been calibrated so that in the field, over time, we know that they can rely on those readings. In our development of our current line of fan filter units, we strive to address concerns of our customers and make them easier to implement in more environments, increase the efficiency, make them lower noise than our competition, try and really make ourselves the premium of what's available on the market. We've got a lot more flexibility than a conventional manufacturing system with a lot of hard tooling. Many multiple configurations are available for our units without increasing lead times extensively, and we can accommodate situations where other companies' products just simply can't fit the bill.